Hello KonnecttzIT family, welcome to KonnecttzIT training videos. Today in this video I'll be showing you how you can actually automate your LinkedIn post. So whenever you get an internal message from your Slack channel. So basically, whenever your internal team members posted on Slack channel, so take that keyword and auto post the content which is present inside your Google Sheet onto your LinkedIn. So let me show you how you can do that using KonnecttzIT. So right now I'm in app space. So basically you have to authorize your apps. So I'm going to use Slack and I'm going to use LinkedIn now. So to authorize LinkedIn, just click on the app and click on add account. It will redirect you to an OAuth page, that is your LinkedIn page. Basically you have to authorize, give permission for KonnecttzIT to authorize your account. So you can give the permission and actually give click on OK to authorize your LinkedIn account. Similarly, you have to do the same thing for Slack channel. So basically you should give the permission. So click on Slack and click on add account. So this will again redirect similar process to Slack page, and you have to give permission to click on allow. So this will going to authorize your Slack channel inside KonnecttzIT. So this is how the process you have to follow to authorize Slack and LinkedIn inside KonnecttzIT. So now I will start explaining like building an use case. So start by clicking on create Konnectz. So first I will name my Konnectz as Slack to LinkedIn auto post. So now I will select the trigger as Slack. So basically I'm doing this use case. So whenever there is a new message on your channel from your team members, so what I do is I will take a keyword basically and inside Google Sheet. So I had actually had made an post. So basically it says that keyword. So whenever we get this particular keyword on the Slack channel, so I'm going to take that keyword, so search for the respective post, and then also I have an image link. So I will going to post using this Google Sheet. So basically whenever there is a message on Slack, I'm going to use Google Sheet as my database, fetch these records and post it inside LinkedIn. So let me show you how we can do that. So first for this, choose your account. So basically what I'm doing here is so selecting my authorized account which I authorized in the apps page. So now I will be selecting the trigger as new message posted to channel. So whenever there is a message posted to particular channel, so you can select that as your trigger. And when you click on test and review, so this will basically give you the message. So this will show you that Slack is successfully connected. So now what I do is, so basically based on the message, so this is a message I'm getting. If from that message I'm going to fetch a word, that is a keyword. So basically in this case you can see at the rate whatever the keyword is there. So basically you can use at the rate or hash or any details like you can do it get it for. So what I'm going to use, I will be using text splitter inside KonnecttzIT, which is an internal in app. So basically I will be splitting the text here. So what I'm doing here is, so split the text. So I'm gonna select as all. I'm using the separator as at the rate. So if you're using hash as a keyword, so then you can use hash or you can use any number or anything. So in this case I'm just using at the rate. So you can see this is my text. So basically in this I will be getting the text splitted using based on the separator, that is at the rate. So now I will generate the splitter. So here I will be getting that in my result. So you can see that. So I get the exact keyword which is present inside my Google Sheet. So I will show you my Google Sheet. So this is a Google Sheet and I have this particular keyword in which I have the text to be displayed posted inside LinkedIn, and also I have a media link. So now what I do is, so I will go to based on the keyword, I will just do a lookup inside my Google Sheet. So just select the Google Sheet and select my account and also trigger as lookup. So basically what I'm doing is I'm just looking up for a value inside my spreadsheet. So select my spreadsheet now and it asks me so which header I need to search for. So I will be searching an header from keyword, and I have the value which I got it from text splitter. So now if I click on test and review, so this will going to fetch the entire row. So basically based on this particular keyword value, that is hello world. So that will be present here. So I have the text and I have the image link. So I will select that, which I will be using to post inside my LinkedIn. So now I will select my LinkedIn app, just drag and drop the app and select my account. So select basically like action as create an article. So if you are posting an article or if you are just posting a text, you can just select create a text share. So I'm just posting an article now, so I'll use this based on the URL and select the author as myself, and also I'll make the visibility to public. So here I add the content which I got it from Google Sheet, and also the media URL, so which I again got it from Google Sheet. So and it on test and review. Before that I will show my LinkedIn profile. So this is my LinkedIn profile at this moment. So I have the latest post, which is this one. So you can see this. So now what I do is I will go ahead and hit on test and review. So basically, so this will create and post with the content hello world demo and the image. So now let's go to LinkedIn and just hit on refresh. You can see this, guys. So it posted hello world demo and it is posted now, and also it also posted the image link, which we media link which we got it from Google Sheet. So that's it, guys. So basically now I will go ahead and publish my Konnectz. So whenever I get a new message inside my Slack, automatically, so I will be getting an like post in on my LinkedIn profile. So basically whenever there is an Slack message from my internal team, so now I will be posting inside my Slack channel. So based on the keywords, so I have this all these keywords like welcome, ebook, automate, and like motivation. So now I will go ahead and post welcome or ebook. So let me go ahead and post like welcome. So what I say is I will just say that post this content, that is I will just add the keyword that is welcome. So when I post this content as welcome, so basically I will be posting a content of this one. So that is this particular keyword, that is welcome. You can see that it says welcome to KonnectZIT demo with the hashtags, and also which has an image link which basically like shows like this. So now let's go to LinkedIn and just refresh our page. We will be getting a post called welcome to KonnecttzIT. You guys can see that KonnecttzIT LinkedIn post demo, and it also adds with an hashtag to the post with an image link. So this is how basically you can automate. So let me test again by sending an one more keyboard. This time I will say post ebook. So this is one more keyword. So you can see that this is a keyword of ebook. So it says KonnecttzIT ebook on automation. So let me go ahead and refresh the page. So that particular post will be added over here. You can see that, guys. So it says KonnecttzIT ebook on automation, and which is the hashtag and also the image link. So PDF link in this case. So this is how like basically you can share your post, you can automate your LinkedIn post. So whenever you get an message inside your Slack channel, that is from your internal team. Hope you guys like this integration, and if you have any questions on this particular integration, do drop us on the comment section below, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.